Hi guys, Hugo, Cleaning Depot. I want to show you how important it is to make sure that you get the correct technician to work on your equipment. Let's zoom in, that way you can see what I'm talking about. So this gentleman had taken his wand to get an inline filter because his jet was getting clogged. And the moment I seen it, I knew it was backwards. The housing, which is right here, is completely backwards. The filter is supposed to sit here because there's water pressure going in, and the mesh is supposed to collect any debris. And then you have your cap that goes on it and the secondary part of the housing. So it's completely backwards. And what's gonna eventually happen is just not gonna filter right. And every time he takes it out, if it's backwards, trash or debris is gonna be in there. He can't clean it. So he was having some issues. Just make sure that the technician that's working on your equipment is knowledgeable. I know there's a lot of help online now. Have a great day.